Hi, this video introduces the new IDF Version Converter tool in jEPlus. This tool is offered as an alternative to the IDF Version Updater program included in EnergyPlus. Now let's see how it works. I will use the benchmark model set in this example. The benchmark models are what we use to test computer speed. The current benchmark set is in version 8. We want to update it to version 8.1. Let's first make a copy of this folder. And rename it to version 8.1. Now let's open jEPlus. And open the project file. We'll open the version 8.0 project file and make changes to it. As you can see in this project, there are quite a few different EnergyPlus models. And if you validate the project, it will tell you there are 28 models in total. The version converter tool can be found in the Tools menu here. This will open a new dialog. You can see here a list of files directly referenced in the project has already been identified. These 29 files include the 28 model files and one RVI file. Alternatively, you can scan the folder for all the files, all the IDF or MF files contained in that folder. Let's clear the screen first, and then browse to the models folder. Okay, so here we see actually there are 20 files in this folder. In addition to the 28 model files, there are two IDF files contains only segments of EnergyPlus model, and these two files are imported into the main models using EP macro's hash include function. Of course, you can filter the files to be included in the conversion. For example, if you want only those IDF files and those IMF models with a file name starting with 50, then you can do a filter like this. And in this case, there are only 7 files to be converted. The next thing to do is to select the EnergyPlus version updater folder. Alternatively, you can download the multi-version updater package from the EnergyPlus help desk. This is what a multi-version converter looks like. jEPlus will detect which version are supported. For example, in this package, all the EnergyPlus versions from 1.0 to 8.1 are supported. You will have to manually select in which version your current models are. This is very different to the EnergyPlus's own version converter GUI. So that's all we need to do. Now let's press the Convert button. A warning message will ask you to double check that you have backed up the original model files. Then conversion will start. So that's it. To check new models, you can open the folder using this button. Here you will see a backup has been created for the original model. And this is the error report generated by the EnergyPlus version update. This is the new model. Let's go back to jEPlus and save the project file as version 8.1. Don't forget to point to the correct folder for the models. You can validate the project. Successful. And now we can save the project in your new name. And this concludes the tutorial.